Hello, my name is Dennis. I've been here in Istanbul for 3 days.
Okay.
Got 6 root canals. Got implants and a Hollywood smile for only 3 days. For 30% of the price in my country.
When he first comes to the clinic, we started with taking the radiographs and intraoral examination.
Are you who's gonna try to make them?
About all the details.
Oh, okay, perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. At first, I will show you the details.
Yeah.
Sure. This one, and you can see the detail with my mirror. Can you see this? And one extension part to here.
Yeah.
After all of these diagnostic process, we made our treatment plan and started with our digital scanner. After all preparations ended, we made our final digital scan and sent our data to our laboratory. Our laboratory first analyzed all the data that we received from our patients. Then they started with designing the smile. After a couple of hours, we received our provisional crowns. Provisional crowns were duplicates our final design. Then we discussed everything with our patients about sizes, shapes, relationships and color. After we decide all of them, we sent our data and all the information to our laboratory. Then they immediately started producing his ceramic crowns. Our permanent crowns were produced after 24 hours from preparation session. We inserted them and we checked everything with our patient aesthetically, mechanically and biologically. Then we started the gluing process. And we said bye to our patient with a beautiful smile.